Alrighty, friends. So I'm going to show you a little bit about this representing numbers assignment. Okay. So, the instructions are all right here. And then this is actually, as you can see, it's going through. There are examples of the slides you're going to see, as well as the first couple of slides are a step-by-step process on how to do the first 4 slides, I believe. So you're going to watch this all the way through, read the directions. And if you want to click a little bit faster, you can do that as well. These arrows are pointing off the screen, and I'll show you why in just a second. So you're going to click here to make a copy to begin your assignment. As always, make a copy. And as that's loading, I'm going to remind you, we got to change the name at the top. Leave representing numbers, because that's the name of the activity, but change where it says copy of to your first and last name. I cannot emphasize this enough. First and last name. Okie dokie. All right. And before we do anything else, share that. Make sure I have access to it. So you'll have to type in my name, which it should populate just like that. Oops. If I can type my own name. Now that you've done it a couple of times, it should be easy to find me, okay? So you don't have to notify me. If you want to uncheck that, that would make my inbox a little less crazy. So then you click share. And now, here are your instructions. So you're going to be using different place value examples to represent all forms of numbers, okay? So on the following slide, you'll see an example. I said 2 examples, and that's not true, just 1. So you can actually click present, and it will walk you step by step, just like you saw on, oh my goodness, just like you saw on the slideshow on the assignment, but you have to click through. Okay, so you can see every time I'm clicking. Now, also, if you go to this magnifying glass, you can zoom out and you will see all of the things that you need, okay? So you will be given a number. You will be expected to populate that number, fill that number in on the place value chart, and then use these shapes to compose that number or build that number in a pictorial model, okay? So I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that by going to the next slide. As you can see, the instructions are gone. I have a new number, all right? So to put this number onto the place value chart, I need to look. All right, so I've got an 8 here, that digit. What place is that in? It's a 4-digit number, so I can count 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So it's in the thousands place. So I'm going to click my 8 and I'm going to drag it to my thousands place. Okay. And, oops, let's send this image to the back. You can't see it. I will actually have to fix that. So I apologize. If this does this for you, just click order and click send to back. It's that table that I moved too far that I put on there later. So, and then I've got a 1. So next I'm going to move my 1 to the hundreds place. Oh, I didn't do it. Make sure you've got it clicked and not cursor. There we go. To my hundreds place. Okay. And then a 2 in the tens place. So again, it's a cursor. Make sure I've got my 4 little white arrows there so I know I'm moving it. Okay. So on and so forth. Then I'm going to build it. Now, if you look, you can just click and drag. I don't need that. So I need to put it back. Okay. Click and drag the ones that you need to build it. Now remember, Miss Claire wants you to keep it organized, so try to keep it in order. So if I need a 10,000 rod, I'm going to keep it over here because it's going to be my biggest one. If I need 100 flat, I'm going to keep it on the right side of my thousands cube because 1,000 is bigger than 100. Okay, it's in the same order as your place value. Obviously, this is not correct. If you need to undo something, you can come up here and click undo. You are with me, I hope. Now to go down here, you're going to type the word form for each number. Use the word bank to assist your spelling. If there's not a text box somewhere that you need a text box to be, just click and begin typing. Okay. These words do not drag. You have to type it out. So this is an 8. It's 8,000. I know that because I can spell it right there. Okay. And then you'll finish typing. All right. And then on the bottom one here, or the last 2, you're going to type the number in expanded form by clicking here and typing out what it is worth. So I've got 100,000 plus, and then so on and so forth. And again, you just type it out. This is the challenge page, so expanded notation. I'm not going to teach you that just yet. So you're going to want to see what you know. All right, guys. Okay, don't forget to click submit assignment. You can go to your Google